Okay, so from this view of the skull, we're looking inside the neurocranium from this superior view. Let me turn it to give you the orientation here. So we're looking down into the skull. So here we have the frontal sinus that would be located in this area. We're talking about the ethmoid bone being right here, and we're talking about the crystal galli is the little fin shaped protuberance on the top. The cribriform plate is surrounding that on both sides. It's kind of lattice-like with all the open air spaces of the cribriform plate of the ethmoid bone. This general area here in the center is called the sella turcica. This whole area. We have the anterior clinoid processes and the posterior clinoid processes. Just these sharp areas. And then the pituitary fossa is this area in the middle where the pituitary gland sits in this whole region of the sella turcica. This area here is the sphenoid bone. We have the lesser wing, which are located on the upper portions. So here we have the lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, and the greater wing is down here in these lower areas. Just under the edge of the lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, we have this superior orbital fissure visible under the lesser wing of the sphenoid bone. Just below that, we have the foramen rotundum, the very circular passageway for the maxillary nerve, which you'll be learning soon. Just below those, we have the ovale again, also visible from this view, and just posterior to that is the spinosum on both sides. In the posterior region here, we have the internal acoustic meatus located right here, which connects the inner ear to the outer ear on the inside of the skull. So these again are the internal acoustic meatus. Also visible from here are what we discussed previously, the jugular foramen, the M-shaped opening, and easier to see now are the hypoglossal canals from this view, located on both sides of the opening of the foramen magnum.